The Supreme Court has adjourned to next Monday the hearing on pleas seeking extension of COVID-19 induced loan moratorium and waiver of accruing interest. On the last day, the centre had informed the top court that an expert committee at the highest level has been constituted in order to take a decision on the issue of moratorium extension, interest during moratorium and interest on interest and other issues.
The Supreme Court has allowed the government one more week to come up with a plan on loan moratorium to ease the financial burden on borrowers during the coronavirus crisis. The top court, which had asked the government to submit its plan on September 28, deferred the hearing till 5th October after government sought more time. The three-judge Supreme Court bench was hearing a batch of petitions seeking a waiver of interest on deferred EMIs during the moratorium period, which was introduced by the Reserve Bank of India to ease the burden on existing borrowers in wake of coronavirus pandemic-related restrictions. Some things are beyond my control, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the centre and the RBI in case, told the Supreme Court seeking more time to submit the government's plan. The decision on the matter is at an advanced stage and some more time is required to present the detail before the court, the centre's counsel told the Supreme Court. In its September 10th order, the top court has directed the government to submit the plan detailing the compound interest to be charged and any resultant impact on the credit rating of the borrowers, stating that the plan must be presented in September 28th hearing. The centre has set up an expert panel under former Comptroller and Auditor General K. Rajiv Maharishi to look into the issue of interest being charged by bank and on installment deferred during the moratorium period due to COVID-19 pandemic. In some relief to stressed borrowers, the Supreme Court had ruled earlier this month that loan account of borrowers availing the moratorium or a delay in loan repayment will not be declared as bad loan till further orders. The borrowers need to be protected and banks should not take any coercive action against them, the top court had held. A number of associations representing sectors such as bank and real estate developers are part of the hearing, while the petitioner demand a waiver of interest on interest for exercising the option to suspend EMIs due to COVID-19. The government is of the view that writing off interest will weaken banks and affect economic conditions. The centre and the Reserve Bank of India have told the top court that the loan moratorium can be extended by up to 2 years on account of the coronavirus-related situation. The Reserve Bank of India had in March granted a 3-month loan moratorium due to the pandemic-induced situation and later extended it till 31st August in May. Bureau Report.